Google Authenticator Setup in Minutes is a comprehensive guide to securing your online accounts with two-factor authentication. To get started, you will need a smartphone and a Google account. First, download and install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the plus icon to begin the setup process. Next, you will need to scan a QR code or enter a setup key provided by the service you want to secure. With two-factor authentication, this could be your email provider, social media, or any other online service that supports Google Authenticator. To scan the QR code, tap on the Scan QR Code option and point your camera at the code. The app will automatically detect the code and configure the authenticator. If you are given a setup key, tap on the Enter Setup Key option and manually enter the key. After configuring the authenticator, you will see a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. This code is used to verify your identity when logging into your secured accounts. When prompted, enter the code to complete the two-factor authentication process. Best practices for using Google Authenticator include using a strong password, keeping your phone and Authenticator app up to date, and backing up your Authenticator settings in case you lose your phone. It is also recommended to use Google Authenticator in combination with a password manager for maximum security. In conclusion, setting up Google Authenticator is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can protect your accounts from unauthorized access and stay safe online.